Hello everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on profile picture guard on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end and don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. So friends, first open Facebook app on your mobile. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Now tap on your profile name section. Now tap on the profile picture. Now choose turn on the profile picture guard option and tap on it. After that, tap on the next button. It's almost ready. Finally, tap on the save button. That's it, and it's successfully done. So viewers, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.